guys, I was invited to this life insurance class. It teaches us more about insurance than what I already know. I only know that life insurance helps with a death if someone of your loved one or someone perish, that it can help with the funeral. And every month you either pay term insurance or whole life insurance. Those are the only things that I was knowledgeable about. But this class will teach us how to invest in life insurance. It would teach us that the rich people invest in things, and that's how they have financial freedom. The banks invest in life insurance because as surely as someone has to live, surely you have to perish. And to invest in life insurance, it's always growing, and it can bring you financial freedom, and it can help you get out of debt. Every month you will be making some type of money, and let's just get knowledgeable about things that we pay into every month.
Because I finally told my best friend was who invited me to this office, like I asked you all who invited you to the office because it's invite only. And I told her, I said, okay, we finally closed on the house. I can come. She had been asking me to come for a while. I'm like, finally, okay, I'll come. I was not looking for an opportunity. Even though I knew I lived check to check, I really walked in this office to support and just FYI, have more information. But I'm forever grateful that I came in this office because as I sat in here, I realized that I wasn't the only one that was secretly or like quietly at night and throughout the day wondering, is this it? Like, is this really what we work for? How long is it going to take me to get to the C-suite to earn six figures? That secretly my issue still was money. And the craziest thing is many of you all sitting in this room with me today, and one of the number one problems for many people in the U.S. today is still what? Money. That's the reality. No matter what we do, what businesses we build, for many everyday hard-working middle-class Americans, we're still questioning, do we have enough money? Is the money I have safe? Is it protected? Will I have enough for retirement? What's next? And then 9 times out of 10, a lot of people we know who run businesses or entrepreneurs, they may do it for a few years, but then it's like, oh, I thought you were doing that. Then they're like, no, not no more. Or they run it, but how often does it scale and go down to their family for generations? Usually it stops there. So the big picture is we increase the financial literacy within our communities that ultimately open more of us up to the true opportunity of ownership and capitalism so we can build businesses that scale. And naturally, most of us, traditionally, we have more debt to income. And your debt to income ratio is going to be the thing that maybe halts your success or progress at some point in life if it hasn't already. Whether you need to go purchase property for your own residence, or you want to go and do more real estate investments, you want to start a business and you need capital, business funding, like our debt to income ratio is going to be a factor. But right now, if someone said, hey, Tiara, hey, Tamara, hey, Tawana, Tasha, I'm sorry, I didn't rename you. Hey, Tasha.
It's okay.
I need you all just to work on your debt to income ratio the next 6 to 12 months. We can make this happen. This can become your reality, but we just got to course correct just a little bit the next 6 to 12 months. Right now, today, what would you naturally go and start doing personally to work on your debt to income ratio?
I'm finna go jump on a train.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Naturally, name some things. Anybody, name out. If somebody had that same conversation with you and said you gotta go course correct, start putting your things in a better little position, so when we apply in 6 to 12 months, we'll be good to go. What would you naturally right now start doing?
I'd be going to the credit union, and then like I start, I'd be like, look, I can pay this much. I pay this much, and y'all gonna remove it in this time, because I got stuff I got to do. I know I'm trying to pay off.
So you paying? Okay, so you paying off stuff.
Yeah, I be trying to pay off stuff.
Got another job. Okay, Tasha, what would you naturally do?
Eliminate shopping and certain things.
I know, I say same
Stop
thing.
spending so much.
If it was me, I'd be like, girl, you can't keep going to Target and Starbucks the way you do every other day.
Yes.
Target too. But naturally, so you said pay off some things. We kind of all heard of maybe the snowball effect, paying off the higher interest credit cards. Start with that. You know, Tamara said go get another job. But let's be honest, how far does any of that really get us without people in our family?
I'm still doing it right now.
My mom, people we know, get another job, all we do is burn ourselves out more.
Yeah.
More time away from what we really want to go do. And we're working for money that's still gonna get taxed before it gets to us. And then, if I want to pay it off, I'm paying it off with money I really don't have.
Baby.
And then we stop. We were like, okay, I'm gonna make my own coffee. You know, mushroom coffee is popular right now. Let me give me some mushroom coffee. Reality is, retirement is not an age. Retirement is income. How much do you need financially to actually retire and stay retired?
Yeah, because some old people be working at Walmart door.
Yes, because they run out of money or they never had enough money in retirement to start with. So America is deeming it that right now for the average person, not someone who's built the life, the age retirement is definitely different. Just for the average person needs at minimum $5 million in retirement to literally survive. Yes, Miss Myra. To literally live comfortably for another 15, 20 plus
Ms. Bossy came out here to represent, heard a little information on financial literacy. Hope you guys can come out, check it out. Trying to build generational wealth.
My name is Yana Parham. I'm a part of PHP agency. And what we do is we teach individuals how to protect their life, their wealth, and their health. And so we're looking for individuals to help us put boots to the ground. We're kind of sort of, you want to say, we're looking for a volunteer army to get out here in our community to share this information with individuals. So my girl came out today. And I'm
Hey,
grateful that she came out today.
thanks
And
for having me.
Absolutely. So we're looking for her to give us her feedback, what she sees in the value of it, and then other people like you, we're looking for you guys. We got room for you. Thanks.
Spirit that led you to my husband. Because he's like, this lady, she was talking about, he watches you.
Yeah, he said he
was
watched
like,
me.
This lady is phenomenal. And he was here, and I'm like, who are you
He said
talking
she,
about?
one day I was talking about I just want financial freedom.
Yes, I saw that. He showed me, and he was like, man, babe, I wonder, she won't even think about answering. I said, reach out to her. She said she's
I'm so
from
grateful you
Chicago.
reached out to me
Reach
as well
out to her. You
because
never
I
know.
felt more respect. I understand that your husband reached out, but when you reached out, it was better.
Yeah, I get what you're
Yeah,
saying,
you know what
but
I'm
I did it because he was afraid. He was like, I don't
But
know
he
if
was
she's gonna
afraid and I was
respond.
afraid as well. You see that?
I'm like, let me reach out to her.
Yes,
and
to
then
make me
like,
feel more
that's why I said, I
comfortable
didn't wanna
because people
bug
don't want to
you.
talk to people. You know how it is in
We
life.
not like that. But I get what you're saying.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? I
Yes.
totally get what you're saying. But the reason why I was reaching out is because I'm like, he was like, she probably won't respond back. And then he was like, I don't even think this real. Because, people are scammers.
Yes, they are.
So I said, well, tell her that we're going to sign up for the event, and if she gives your email address or whatever. And he said, oh, she real. I said, I feel like she's real.
Thank you.
And I felt
Thank
that he was like, you told him your brother.
His nickname was Juju. Yeah.
And I was like, wow,
And
that's
I said
what
that was the divine purpose, divine
Yes.
spirit, divine purpose. Because
Yes.
I was like, I think my brother is the best brother in the world. He was like, bring Juju with you. I'm like, my brother he got unalive, and this is the divine connection because I just been telling myself over and over, me doing daycare, but I still not having financial freedom. Then I just told him I filed bankruptcy because of my car, and he was just telling me he sell cars. So, and then I know I can reach others, and not even if they. Sometimes people will get recruited, and sometimes people just need have a blessed one. Sometimes people just need to be educated.
That's it.
We're
That's
not
all.
educated. We
We're
don't know.
not.
We look at life insurance as a death
Death
policy.
benefit, and it's
Yes.
not just about death benefit. Life insurance, like educating. It's a lot of information we don't know.
Right.
I don't
and
know
the
if-
rich know. And
The
they
rich
were
know.
showing us that the banks invest in it.
Exactly.
So, yes.
Exactly. So this information, if it's something that you see yourself learning, just imagine how many other individuals don't know, or how many other individuals can benefit from what you learned today.
Exactly.
That's just it. We're just sharing it, just like we share about a good restaurant we went
Right,
to, or
right.
a movie, or a purse. The newest purse.
Share anything.
Just share it.
We share anything all the time without even acknowledging we sharing something.
That part.
You know what I'm saying? You probably be like, where you get that shirt from? Oh, Rainbow. You shared that. You
That
know what I'm
part.
saying?
Tasha,
Yes. Nice meeting you. Thank you for dropping that wisdom. Yes, I'm coming on board. Thanks for dropping that wisdom in my system. Thanks. So, guys, I was just asking her because her last name is Parham, and I was explaining to her that the people that unalived my brother last name was Parham. and she explained to me that you got the name Parham from
My husband, which is
her
Juju.
husband, is Juju. And I also, when they reached out to me, her husband's name is Juju, and I said, wow, my brother's nickname was Juju. And she was sharing with me that she's big on energy. And y'all know I say that on my channel all the time. I'm big on energy. I'm big on vibes, spirits. I'm just big on it. And they signed up, didn't they? I'm gonna partner with her husband and her, far as being a life insurance broker. Is that how I'm supposed to say it?
Independent broker.
Okay, an independent broker. And we was just talking. I was like, my brother was unalived by someone named Parham, and my brother nickname was Juju, and she said, oh wow, you had trouble.
I was just asking you, you had trouble forgiving the person that unalived your brother, right?
Right. I still don't forgive him.
And that's why I said the reason why you ran into my husband, last name Parham, first name Juju, that's your brother. He's telling you to forgive him, the person that unalived him, because your brother is still here with you. And that's the significance of Juju.
Wow. You just made me cry.
I ain't want to make you cry.
She just made me cry because I do not forgive him. I don't.
And it's a process. It's a process.
I didn't even think I was coming here to cry.
I'm sorry.
I don't know. You didn't do anything. No, you didn't do anything. Oh God. I'm sorry. But yeah, so let me get him on your napkins. But yeah, I just want to be successful, and I.
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant to.
Oh no. So thank you for telling me that was a divine spirit, a divine purpose to forgive. You know, because right now I'm really changing my way of thinking and things like that. So maybe in the future.
He needs you to remember all of the positive things that you and him share. He don't want you to focus
grudges
on
and things
who
like
took
that.
him from you.
Yeah,
because we're spirit.
We're spiritual. So if you look at things in a different spirit realm, the person who unalived him took him home to be with the Lord.
That part.
So you, in a way, did you do him a favor or like helping him get to the Lord quicker? It's just like different ways to look at stuff. Or do I hate you because you took him away from us and on the earth realm? You get what I'm saying?
Right. But forgiveness is not for them. It's for you. He's going on about his life.
It's true.
Doing whatever he's doing.
That's true.
But you really want to see your brother again, right? You believe that God will bring us to
back to yes.
But we gotta forgive.
That's true. He forgive us so many times. What they say, 49 times 7 a day or something like that.
That's it. We have
so
to
I'm
forgive
grateful
in
for you
order to
having this conversation with me.
Oh, absolutely. And we're looking forward to you.
So guys, you guys have to forgive. We all learning to forgive. We are learning every day.
Yes.
To be a better us. So.
Bye.
Okay guys, we leaving. I learned so much about insurance that I didn't know. All I ever know is whole life and term insurance, and it was teaching us that we can get I don't want to pronounce the name wrong, annual index insurance or something like that, and we could it's like investing. It is though so heavy, my arm hurt. We can like invest in, and we can make thousands of dollars, like when people invest in people trading, trade line business and things of that nature. While we in the land of the living, we don't have to be getting filing bankruptcy and stuff. We could just borrow from that, and you can invest a little money and make thousands and thousands of dollars. So that's what I did. I'm going to be investing with Juju and his wife Yanni. I think I said her name wrong, Yona. She just told me to go get my flyers to pass out up here, and she said when I become a partner, I can set up a table up there, promote my business for free. I asked God to open up doors for me. Let me have financial freedom. Let me get out of debt, and what do you know? It's crazy when you see God working on you. It's just crazy when you see God answering your prayers. It blows your mind. But on that note, let's do something to blow our mind. I love you guys. Okay, y'all, I went with this sweater. We're going to an all-black party. Got like 2 hours to be there. Let's go.
Doors closing.
Chicago, got too much trauma. I need.
I'm really, really hot. I'm really, really hot. 3, 2, 1. Let me holler at the DJ. Come on, DJ, put that.
I'm in Chicago.
Get on the replay. Don't you see how this is really booty? Every time you play this record, smell like cash. Follow them, screaming like a groupie. Mr. Meat, I'm on my dick, but like a hoochie. For the man.